Hi, this how to 1 minute gonna show you how to resize image on Wix website. First of all, go to your Wix website editor and go to the section where is your image. So first of all, select your image and then you will see this resizing dot. All you have to need to resize your image, click any of the resize dot and just drag your image to make the image small like this. And to make your image bigger, do the same thing, click on the resize dot and increase your image size like this to make your image bigger. And now to crop your image, select the image and just click on this crop icon at the top. And now you can easily crop your image like this. You can also zoom the image using this slider and just click on apply. And that's how we can resize and crop image. Now select your image and click on edit image, and then you will directly jump into Wix Photo Studio. Here you can easily adjust your photo light and color and go to cutout section. Here you can cut out your image, then go to object eraser. Here you will be able to erase anything from your photo. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.